So today I'm going to show you a small trick. If you want to paint a piece like this, so an engine part, and you want to tape this part off, there's a really easy hack to do that. So you don't have to cut it with a knife or anything like that. So nothing like this, which takes a lot of time to be precise. But there's a way to do it quick and precise, and I'll show you that right now. So this is a piece of an engine I'm doing right now, and I want to tape off this circular piece. So what you're going to need is a piece of masking tape or painter's tape or whatever you want to call it. A tape that rips real easy like that, and just go over it all around with a little bit of an overhang. Not a lot, but some. Now don't worry about this middle part, it's the outside we're looking for. And just go around it with your finger, see where everything is. This is where we're at right now. Now lay your piece down and get a hammer like this. So one with a tip that is of like hard rubber, so not this piece. This is soft rubber, but with a bit of a hard rubber. A hammer like this. This could do the same, but this is a bit big. And then just go around the corner and tap on the corner. So like this. Once you do that, you can see the tape is letting go exactly where the edge is. I'm slightly pulling on the tape, so there's a small bit of tension here to break it free. And this is a bit of a tiny edge, so there we go. Nearly there. There's no holes here, so no edge, I mean. Just cut this free. There you go. And there you go. One perfect taped off round piece. It works really good and really quick. And now just fill this up with the rest of the tape, and that's all done. So I think this will work on a lot of pieces that you need to tape off. And there's another example here right in front of me, which has a lot more edges and small pieces around it. But as you can see, it's perfect. Same with the top. So it's a really quick and effective way of taping off, well, especially engine parts like this. So all you need is a hammer with a tip like this and some tape, and you're good to go. Hope it helps you. Cheers.